In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram comments not showing. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it can be really annoying if you can't see all your comments, so the very first thing I want you to do, swipe down on the top right of your screen. It's going to bring up your control panel. Just switch airplane mode on, and then switch it off again. It's going to reset all your internet and your data, like your mobile data. Then go on Instagram again and see if you're able to see those comments. If you're still not, what I want you to do is go to the App Store, which looks like this. Then go to the top right, which is your profile. Then just go over to apps. Now, once you're in apps, you're going to see all the ones that are already installed on your phone. But while you're in this section, you can scroll down, and any apps that need updating, you'll be able to update them over here. Now, there's Grok and ChatGPT, but Instagram might be needing an update from you. If you haven't updated in a while, it can get buggy. So you want to make sure that Instagram is on the latest version. Now, once you updated your application, if it's still not working and you still can't see all the comments, you can go over to your settings application. From here, go to general and then go to iPhone storage. Now, once you're here, what you can do is go and find Instagram. So mine is right here. Now I can offload the app. This says this will free up storage used by the app, but keeps its documents and data. So basically when you offload the app, it clears all the cache and all of that stuff. And then when you open it up again, it basically gives it a reset, but you're still gonna be logged in and everything. So once you do that, your Instagram comments should be all appearing. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.